So, the pattern nowadays has become to give a scenario and ask you what will be the decision. Instead of giving you numerical data, they can give you a situation where you are required to give the answer. So, let us take a situation. A diesel limited company manufactures and sells diesel engine. The company appoints Mr. P to coordinate shipment of the diesel engine from the factory to the distribution of the warehouse located in various parts of India, so that goods will be available as orders are received from the customer. The diesel limited company is unsure to classify the annual salary of rupees 6 lakh in its cost record. Company's cost analysis says Mr. P's salary should be classified as the manufacturing cost. The finance controller says it should be classified as the selling cost, and managing directors say it does not matter where Mr. P's salary is classified. Who is correct and why? So, what is the case? Case is Mr. P's salary. Whether it should be selling cost, manufacturing cost or anywhere. Right? So, what should be the answer, friend? Any guess? Any reason? Anything which is coming in your mind? I will welcome it. So, I will take a pause and expect answer from you. So, what is the answer? Please don't jump into the answer. First, think on the logic. So, what are the options? Like an MCQ question, let us add one more. This becomes A, B, C and D. Which option is correct? Right, friend? If I say this is a selling cost, I am right. Why? If I say the answer is A, look what that person is doing. He is selling the thing, sending it from factory to warehouse and to the distribution points. So, Mr. P is more acting like a person who manages the distribution to the client location from factory to the given area. Therefore, this is a selling cost. Why it is not a manufacturing cost? The reason is that this is the factory, this is the distribution point 1, distribution point 2, distribution point 3. So, sending things from here to here is selling cost, and all cost incurred from here to here is the manufacturing cost. Look, the work is on this side, not on this side by Mr. P. Therefore, we cannot classify it into manufacturing cost. And when managing director says you can put it anywhere, he is wrong, because finance controller is right. The things must be classified in a given way so that result comes. And finally, when I say none, this is also wrong, because selling cost is the answer and it cannot be none. So, friend, logical thinking is what nowadays the examiner is looking for, and we must appreciate the thing in the given way. So, what should I write as an answer if I am writing the exam paper? I will say Mr. P's salary should be classified as the selling cost, not marginal, not manufacturing cost or a cost which can be put anywhere, because this is a cost which is being incurred in distribution of goods from one location to another. It is not a cost which is related to manufacturing of the diesel items, and therefore we need to categorize it as a selling cost, and Mr. P's salary will go under the cost relating to the selling cost. So, that will be the answer, and you can even make a small drawing which will be very well appreciated by the examiner, because then only they can think that this man thinks, and a thinking man is always a better man than a person who just copies the thing without thinking. So, friend, this is the answer.